Hello, welcome back to the tvONE Training Academy studio. In this short video we're looking at the 1T-SX-654. It's a 4x1 switcher capable of working with HDMI 2.0 in 4x4 colour space and also with HDR. This video we're going to be looking at the unboxing as well as telling you a little bit about the product as well. So this is just come straight to me from the factory, so let's have a look at what we have. First of all is the manual. It's small yet mighty. You can see it's got lots of information there to keep you going. So that's the manual. Second thing, let's have a look what we got in here. It's all well padded. We have some power elements. So you'll notice that it has USB out of it. So here's the power cable. It's USB on one end. The other end is a secure screw-in connection. This is the control cable, so it is one end it looks like a 1/4 inch jack type arrangement. On the other end we have RS-232. A few more things in the bottom of here. This is our infrared eye and also some double-sided tape to stick it somewhere. And then final couple of things, the little rubber feet. This has got 4 rubber feet so you can stick on the bottom of the unit. Remote control. You see that there's the ability to select which inputs, some source control, and then some display controls as well. These are ears, so we can put these on the bottom of the switcher and then we can surface mount it. As you can see, it's really diminutive. It's a very small form factor. It's ultra thin. I think it's about 12 millimeters thin or thick, whichever way you want to look at it. Let's get it out of here so you can see it in the flesh. So this is the unit, and you can see that it's really small, really compact. It's really well made as well. So if we start on the rear, we have our screw power connector on one side, and then we have EDID control. So this is for setting different EDIDs. Infrared in, so that's where the eye goes in. RS-232. Now you already noticed that it's a small audio type connector. Audio out here, and then as we go across, video out, and then I've got my 4 inputs here. Now input number 4 has got ARC, so that's audio return channel. That's really useful if you want to cut down on wiring in an AV install. Now if we pop around to the front, you can see, once again, it's all labelled. This is what I like about this unit. It's all labelled on the front. So we have the source switch, so we can control this in 3 modes. We can control it auto switch, we can cycle through the inputs or use the RS-232 control. And there's an LED over here which says how it's set up. The next one is power, audio connectivity, and then which of the 4 sources we're connected to. Later on in this series, be plugging this in and showing the performance. Of course, if you want to get information from our website, that is dead simple to do. So if you go to www.tvone.com and then look under switches for the 1T-SX-654, there's loads of information, including a fully detailed spec sheet and the manual as well. But for now, that is the 1T-SX-654. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.